Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can delete your Google search history permanently. So if your Google history feel a little bit too crowded, whether you're cleaning up your digital trail, protecting your privacy, or just want a fresh start, simply clearing your browser isn't enough, so Google keeps a deep record in your My Activity account that follows you across all your devices. Here I'm going to show you how you can find the hidden activity fault and how you can set up the auto delete and exact steps to wipe your history from Google servers forever. So what you need to do in here, you can just open your Google profile and click on manage your Google account. Now you can just scroll down and click on the data and privacy and tap on the web and app activity in here. After that, you can just scroll down and make sure that you check all of these boxes. Now go to the manage all web and app activity, and in here you can see there will be this option to auto delete. You can choose an auto delete options in here, and you can set the time the auto delete activity older than maybe 3 months, 18 months, or 36 months. So you can just choose the time. So when you do that, your activity 18 months prior will be automatically deleted. And now here you can just see here all of your search history in Google. And to delete, you can just here click on delete options at the top, and here you can choose all time. And after that, you can see there will be this option with 2022 products selected. You can just tap on next, and in here you just need to confirm to delete your activity. You can here you can see your selected web and app activity will be permanently deleted. You can just click on delete, and that's it. Now the activity is being permanently deleted from your account and no longer tied to you. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks.